recording this.
Welcome to the Design Foundation's Fall 22 Open House presentation. Hello, my name is Leigh-Ann and I'm the coordinator of the Design Foundations program. Today, I plan to share with you some information about the program so you can see if this is the right fit program for you. Trust me when I say choosing a college and a program isn't an easy decision. The Design Foundation program is part of the Faculty of Creative Industries. Within that faculty, there are 4 schools: School of Design, School of Contemporary Media, School of Digital and Performing Arts, and the School of Tourism, Hospitality, and Culinary Arts. The Design Foundations program is located at the main campus in London, Ontario, on Oxford Street. The Design Foundations faculty team all come from various backgrounds and skill sets. All faculty are passionate about both teaching and the design industry. As I review the presentation today, you will see many examples that show the dedication, passion, and talents of this fabulous team. The Design Foundations program is a 1-year certificate program. It is a preparatory program designed to help students find their fit and choose their specialty. The main focus of the Design Foundations program: color theory and 2D and 3D design principles, visual communication, idea development, portfolio development and presentation skills, and design technologies. This program allows you to experience a year of goal setting, learning new skills, and refining existing skills with the guidance from the industry experts through a variety of hands-on projects. Upon completion of the Design Foundations program, you will earn 4 internal transferable credits that can be used in any of the design programs at the college: 2 elective general education, a RIT, and a COM. The courses for semester 1 include Computers for Design, Drawing Basics, Color and Design Studio, Design Pathways and Student Success Strategies, Creative Concepts, Designing a Sustainable Future, and Reason and Writing. Semester 2 include Computer Technology for Design, Analytical Drawing, 2 and 3D Design, History of Design Survey, Presentation and Portfolio Development, and Communications for Design. I will highlight some of the initiatives that make our program innovative, relevant, and student-focused. One of the faculty in this program, Wendy Sperry, teaches students about environmental concerns and how to apply design solutions. Last year, she worked with her class on how to reduce single-use plastics, and the idea came about with a poppy. What this class did was they created poppy paper with poppy seeds that could be planted and regenerated year after year. This is just one of the awesome experiences that you will continue to get involved with this year. Designing a Sustainable Future is a newer course that focuses on understanding the impact and the critical role of sustainable design. Through a series of workshops and interactive learning, students will explore such topics as responsible consumption, environmental concerns, social and cultural issues, economic implication of sustainable design relating to food, shelter, transportation, and waste. Over the course of the year, many experiential workshops, trips, and guest speakers will be experienced. Here's our trip learning about the Goodwill, and students upcycle a men's shirt into stylish aprons. Students collaborate with and work with local ceramic artist Susan Day to create tiles for a new installation at the Safe Injection site in London. Are you ready to travel the world? This year, we're offering a Paris study tour at the end of April. It's approximately $3,500 for flight, accommodations, most meals. Many of the travel tours and information for this trip next year will be communicated to you closer to the time. Graduates can use their portfolio and refine skills to move towards a career-directed program in the following areas: fashion design, fashion marketing and management, graphic design, GIS and urban planning, landscape design, interior decorating, horticulture, and theater arts technical. We do many workshops in these areas to give you a better understanding of what's involved with these careers. Fashion design, 3D sculpt workshop, GIS and urban planning, geocaching workshop, horticulture technician workshop, interior decorating SketchUp workshop, graphic design, personal logo development workshop, graphic design, theater arts technical production workshop, fashion marketing and management photo styling workshop, landscape design workshop, UX UI workshop, industrial design water bottle workshop. The following slides will show some of the student work over the past few years. The signature learning experience. The signature learning experience is a live client project. This year's live client was with Speed City Records, a local retailer in London, where we created logos or artwork that would be used on social media. Last year's live client was with London Brew. The following is an example of a student portfolio. There's a portfolio course in semester 2 where students develop their portfolios within the specific area that they're choosing to go into. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Fanshawe College Design Foundations, and Instagram, Design Foundations. Here's a graduate testimonial. Hi, my name is Olivia Tuckey, and I graduated from the Design Foundations in 2020. Design Foundation was an amazing experience for me. It helped me transition from high school to Fanshawe, and I learned much about myself and in my classes. I'm now going into my third year of graphic design at Fanshawe College and learning so much. Overall, Design Foundation was an amazing experience. I loved all the workshops, projects, and field trips I got to experience. I made so many memories with some amazing people and would recommend it to anyone that's interested in design. So, what do I get out of this program? You get highly qualified and passionate faculty, the Silex signature learning experience through live client projects, hands-on experiential learning, build your portfolio, and the opportunity for a travel study tour. There are many student services at the college to support you during your year of learning. We are here for you. Please visit fanshawec.ca here for you to learn about the services that the college offer. Also, check out the services and get involved with your Fanshawe Student Union at fsu.ca/services. I hope this presentation answered many of your questions, but if you have any other questions, please reach out to me at lwaller@fanshawec.ca. Thank you.